welcome or welcome back to my channel Live Lifestyle Life. I am Sharmishta and my today's video is going to be a Raksha Bandhan makeup look. Yes, on this look that I am wearing right now. So yeah, with that note, let's just get started.
Stardust in the moonlight is all I wanna see. Look up in the night sky, cause you know where to be seen.
So you guys can see my base makeup is already done, and if you guys want to know how I did my base makeup, I'll be giving my last makeup video link in the description box below, so you guys can check out that video, because in that video I have explained very well that how I do my base makeup. So yeah, with that note, let's just get started. I'm going to start with my eyes because I have already done my base makeup. You guys already know it. So yeah, let's start. So I'll be using this palette in the shade Rose in the Year. This is Wet n Wild palette. So let's start. For that I'll be taking a blending brush and will take this color as my transition color. Okay, always tap out the excess product and then start like this. So after you are done putting your transition color, then again we will take the same palette and we'll take this color this time and the same blending brush in a smaller size obviously, and then we'll put it over here in the eyelid. And then we'll mix it very well with the transition color so that there are no harsh lines. And then after you are done blending both the colors together, your eyes will look like this. And then we will move in to our inner corners. For that I'm taking a small brush like this, and we'll take the same palette and pick up this golden color from the palette and we'll highlight our inner corners. Highlighting our inner corners makes our eyes look bigger and beautiful. After that you can definitely go in with your eyeliner if you prefer that, but I'll prefer mascara only because I don't prefer wearing eyeliner too much. So yeah, I will go in with my mascara, which is this one, Lakme Eyeconic mascara, and always get rid of the extra mascara, as I always say, because otherwise your eyelashes will stick together and that will not look good. So after doing the mascara, we will move on to our eyebrows. So for that I'm going to take this pencil. This is really old. This is by Sivanna Colors and I love this pencil. So yeah. So guys, I'm back after doing my eyebrows. Now it's time for my blush, and my highlighter, and for my blush I'm going to use this palette from Sculpt 21, and the shade I'm going to use this one. This is a very nice pink color which I really like, but this blush is really pigmented, so be careful if you go for this palette. Always smile and apply your blush. I like to put some blush on my nose as well. And yeah, I'm done with my blush. Now it's time for my highlighter, and I'm going to use this one for my highlighter. This is a Revolution palette. I will make sure to leave all the links in the description box below of the products I'm using in the video. So yeah. And for my lipstick I'm going to use this one from NYX. It is their powder puff Lippie. So yeah guys, I'll be back after doing my hair with my full look. And yeah guys, this is my final look. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed watching this video, then please make sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family. And yeah, with that note I'm signing off. Bye bye, take care, be happy, be safe, bye bye.
Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, be happy.